Last job of the day, we've got this Aston Martin in now, so we're just going to polish up the headlights. Shouldn't take too long, so we'll do some footage of before and after. Let us know what you think in the comments below. So here you can see the headlights are quite damaged. There's quite a lot of erosion and abrasion on them. So we're going to get the polisher out now and work this out and get the headlights looking clear again. The key when you're polishing headlights like this is to get the heat into them, but you don't want to get too much in, as you can end up burning the headlight itself. The driver's side headlight had a lot more damage and erosion on it, so we had to 2000 this to get this out first, and then we could work it with the polisher. So by now I think we'd gone over it 2 or 3 times. Bit of hard work to get it out, but we got there in the end. So you can see the headlights before. This is driver's side, and this is after. An amazing transformation that is. And again, this is the passenger side, and this is after.